Good afternoon and welcome to Mike's Locomotive Shop and machining adventures. Now for this week, again, no work in the workshop, more trackside. I've continued with planting more trees. I had to cut for the first time. That's actually, I planted last week, Corsican mint. Now you can do this if you can't find the so-called mind your business or baby's tears. Grows perfectly as well. I had to cut it after a week already because it grew out. You can also use it in your food. It's edible, which is good. Use it as couscous. Yeah, this week I have put some ballast on, some more ballast on that side. Also, I've extended the track, as you can see here in the further down. Now my tipper wagons, they can go from that side, later on getting offloaded back into the mine. That's the idea. Yeah, I had the SL1 running this morning, as you will see in the next chapter of this video. It runs now on its own in circles. However, as soon as you put some rolling stock on, struggling. Still not have that power, which I guess it should have, which means it goes back to the locomotive shed for extensive work over the winter. I put it out of service for this year and run the Steins and the other diesel locomotive. So that's the update for this week. It's running with a load, but still here problems, and there's no incline. It's just running out of steam and power. It doesn't have any power whatsoever. And that's on full throttle.